highs and lows. Guys, welcome back. We're going to check out these articles on CMC. Table of content we have January, along stake and interest. This is just a rundown from January to December. So Bitcoin has started 2021 with momentum after a stunning surge in the December that came before. So given everything that's happened this year, it's rather surreal to think that BTC was worth a mere $29,000 on New Year's Eve. So kicking off a festive series of articles by for CMC Alexandria, we take a look back at the news stories defined BTC in 2021. So in January, we'll see that Elon Musk takes interest in BTC, thereby leading it to gain momentum of 14.5% over the course. So within a week of the world chiming in the new year, a paid back affair because of lockdown restrictions, BTC has surged by 42.6%, hitting $41,357. So, but it's more than doubled the previous record price of $20,089. So we still have those who are diamond hands and old all this time would have been feeling especially triumphant. So January 11th saw BTC tumbled by more than 20%. So a $10,000 drop in 28 hours. They also have BTC started to recover in the late months, but then dipped to lows of $30,000. So guys, these are the updates for January. So the Uber billionaire had occasionally caused the joke cryptocurrency Dogecoin to surge with short and often cryptic missives from his Twitter account, and as January drew to a close, Musk turned heads by quietly adding the hashtag Bitcoin to his Twitter bio. BTC rallied by $5,000 in a matter of minutes, hitting $38,000 before handing back to a large chunk of its gains. So in February, we have six milestones for adoption. So as ever, central bankers were trying to sound the alarm over BTC, warning investors need to be prepared to lose their money. Tesla revealed that it had bought $1.5 billion worth of BTC in a filing with the US SEC, and to go one further, the cryptocurrency would be accepting it as a payment method for its electric cars, which made BTC move from $39,000 to $47,000 within 24 hours. The credit card giant has said, whatever your opinions on cryptocurrencies, from a dyed-in wool fanatic to utter skeptic, the fact remains that these digital assets are becoming more important part of the payment world. So you can also see, riding on the wave of major adoption news, BTC hit $50,000 for the very first time February 17. To put that into context, capped gains of 72%, and BTC's market cap reaching $1 trillion for the very first time. So that's how February went. For March, we have Techno Kings, Theta ransoms. Another month, another record high of BTC, with the digital asset peaking at about $61,500 in March. So Tesla began accepting BTC also as a payment method. And meanwhile, PayPal revealed that demand for its crypto service had already greatly exceeded internal projections. To cap everything, end of March brought the arrival of checkout with crypto in the US, enabling cryptocurrencies to make purchases at businesses around the world. The next chapter in driving the ubiquity and mass acceptance of digital currencies. In April, a big rise and a sharp fall. BTC was sitting pretty at $59,000, raised to new ATH of $64,000, and foil optimism that a breakout to $100,000 was around the corner. So this came as Coinbase geared up for box office IPO. So later in the month, BTC began to head south with prices dipping to $50,000. For anyone who earns $1 million. So Tesla also revealed that it had sold $272 million, $1.5 billion in BTC, but the price gains ultimately meant it trimmed its position by 10%. Months later explained that Tesla had done this to prove liquidity of BTC as an alternative to holding cash as a balance sheet. So because I am really unable to buy all the BTC ever mined at $0.01 each, so the next time a Bitcoin skeptic brings up the BTC going to zero argument, just let them know that a random Reddit guy on the internet said that he will not let that happen. So on May we have Tesla U-turn crashes BTC. So BTC was steady at $57,000. May 12th, on Musk dropped an almighty bombshell when he tweeted in a statement, Tesla suspended vehicle purchases using BTC. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for BTC mining and transactions, especially gold, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. So we have with a 16% crash, causing it to share $7,000 in the blink of an eye. Millionaire entrepreneur faced accusations that he used Twitter to mess with the market. So as crypto we had written, with the amount of hate Musk was getting, he wouldn't blame him if Tesla dumped its BTC holdings. CEO replied, indeed. So to clarify speculation, Tesla has not sold any BTC. Okay. So if Elon can decide the price of BTC, it has failed as a currency. So those are some of the effects. Then June we have big announcement for BTC June 2021. Pre-recorded video in BTC 2021 conference in Miami. El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele said in short term this will generate jobs and help provide financial exclusion to thousands of outside the former economy as regards making BTC a legal tender. So what we've seen with BTC is price manipulation by one very powerful and influential individual. So we have BTC price moving and falling by about 40.36%. Okay, then July regulators came in, said with further dips below $30,000, July was punctuated with the fallout from China's mining ban. As with other factors, BTC plunged by 20%. Ralph Craig Wright, the man who claims he is Satoshi Nakamoto, BTC.com, Bitcoin.org to court. So what I can say is that from what I've seen and conversation that I've had with various people and my colleagues are certified, Craig White did author the white paper. In August, its recovery, BTC showed its true resilience in August by surging to $50,000, accelerating 70% pump. In September, we have every adult in the country was given a reward of $30 in BTC, which they could claim through the government's official chief ads. That was in September, where BTC was made legal tender by El Salvador. October, BTC ETFs took the order of the day. Then for month of November, recorded new records as inflation soars. So BTC got new ATH of 68,789.63 before moving down to $50,000. Guys, we are currently in December, a dramatic plunge. You can see prices has been from $52,000 to $42,000 and still moving. Hopefully we should be seeing some peaks. So guys, that's all we have today on CMC. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. Let us know what you feel for BTC in 2022. Shubai Key, season greetings. Peace out, guys.